The refuse-derived fuel or waste-to-fuel plant at Tura in West Garo Hills, inaugurated on May 17, 2022 by Conrad Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya and main proponent of the project in the presence of H.C. Chang Jie Bok, Ambassador of South Korea to India. This pilot project between Government of Meghalaya Tura Municipal Board and Chamana GW South Korea was finalized in a meeting between Chief Minister of Meghalaya and his team with senior officials of Chamana Institute of Technology South Korea, led by Dr. Dongmin Chow, Chairman held at Shillong on 13th of March 2019. The Chief Minister and team, convinced by the potential of the technology, after a detailed presentation, agreed in principle to a PPP mode approach to set up a small-scale plant on pilot project mode with no cost to Government of Meghalaya. The project was to come out in 2022 was delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The plant and equipment was finally shipped to India and thereafter by road to Tura in February this year. This current project in Tura has been envisioned as a working model demonstration project proof of concept to manage the daily incoming municipal garbage of Tura and its adjoining areas.
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
And also for Mrs. Sanjay.
Plastic waste and then start putting it into this machine. So yes, we have a plan for the legacy waste also, and that is the reason why we have put this machine here. So I am very hopeful. Well, my officials told me anything between 9 to 12 months that they will be able to process most of the waste that is lying around here. But I would say that seeing the size and the complication of things, we may take some time. But we will start the process of taking the legacy waste also and segregating the mud from it, getting the waste and putting it into the machine. So it should start happening soon. And as I said, once we inaugurate this year, I'll be very happy to then coordinate with our Honorable Ambassador and all the officials of Chamana to be able to then replicate this technology in Shillong, in Jowai, in Nongstoin, and I think this will go a long way, a very long way in helping the people of our state. And as I said, this is the first plant, first of its kind in the whole country. So we are going to show the way to the rest of the country by ensuring that this works, and I think this will be a great blessing for not just the people of our state, but I think for humanity, I should say, because this is a big problem that we are facing.
This is my very first visit to Meghalaya. I'm very happy to see this win-win project from the technology developed by Korean SME and the Meghalaya state government. So I think this shows future of the government projects and cooperating together between Korean and Indian people and Korean and Indian companies. So through this, as the Chief Minister said at the inaugural ceremony, this is just the beginning of the process. And through this project, you are going to have the whole range of the garbage management, and then it will lead to the well-being and prosperity of the happiness of the Meghalaya people. And our embassy in New Delhi will make our efforts to further develop this kind of mutually beneficial project and cooperation in the future.